Hello, I'm Libby Cook from Brighton Ford, and today I will be showing you how to use your FordPass app with your Ford vehicle. The FordPass app is the key to putting your ownership experience in the palm of your hand, with several features offered. Start by downloading the FordPass app on your compatible smartphone and creating your account. Then add your vehicle by scanning your VIN number on the side of your driver's side door frame and activating your vehicle. After downloading the app and entering your vehicle's VIN number, you have access to features like unlocking and locking your doors, starting and stopping your engine, keeping track of your vehicle's oil life, fuel levels, mileage, tire pressure, and the location of your vehicle via GPS. You are able to keep up to date with your maintenance intervals and find your preferred dealership and schedule service visits. Lastly, you can access your Ford's rewards and 24/7 roadside assistance. For more information on the FordPass app, subscribe, like, and follow us on our social media pages. You can also call us at 1-800-NEW-FORD for any of your vehicle needs.